Greetings from Vijayadash. My respect goes to all of the excellences who are listening to my speech right now. An extreme good day to all of you. I am Vijayadash, an 8th grade student at Police Lines Adersho High School, Tangal. Today I'm here to share about our dream, the dream of our Prime Minister and the dream of all of us. That's called Digital Bangladesh. Digitalizing Bangladesh by ensuring an ICT-based society where every information will be available online. That's called Digital Bangladesh. And that is the dream of our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and also the dream of all of us. Here are all the possible tasks of the government, other non-government, semi-government will be performed by using digital technology. So where is the benefit here? If we think about the benefits of Digital Bangladesh, so the benefits of Digital Bangladesh cannot be described in a few words. Here the common people will be benefited highly. They will get many facilities by Digital Bangladesh. If we and our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, we all can establish Digital Bangladesh so that we can eradicate the main problem of our country, and that is corruption. This is the main problem of our country. And if we can build Digital Bangladesh, we will be able to eradicate this problem that's called corruption. And also here, Digital Bangladesh will connect us with other country economically, financially, culturally, academically, everywhere it will connect with us with other country. And also here our banking sector, commerce sector, economic sector, academic sector will be benefited highly by using digital technology of Digital Bangladesh. And also for this, to build Digital Bangladesh, our government, our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is working hardly, and the people of our country is working hardly to build Digital Bangladesh. And for this, we have to develop our ICT sector, academic sector, computer sector, and by the grace of Almighty, our Prime Minister has developed every sector. And in the future, of course, we will be able to build our Digital Bangladesh. So, why are you waiting for? Let's join with us and work for Digital Bangladesh. Thank you so much.